hormones have to come from my anterior. So I have cells that can produce my growth hormone. The growth hormone gets released to my bloodstream. Once it gets produced, what cells of the body have receptors for growth hormone? All right, let's think back to what you just told me. We need it to grow. We need it at puberty. So what cells of your body grow during your lifetime? Bones.
Muscles.
Now muscles increase in size and length, but they do not duplicate. But muscles, organs, hair, skin, everything. Growth hormone affects every cell of the body. Did that make sense? It's needed for repair, like for mitosis to occur. I mean, growth hormone, we need it our entire life. The way that the body monitored it, it is for survival. My homeostasis. That information went to the primitive areas. The information made it to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus gave it the releasing hormone because I needed my anterior pituitary to release that hormone.
How does it release from the growth hormone?
How does it release it? It gets to the bloodstream. It goes to the bloodstream.
It just goes like back up to the thalamus, down.
No. When you look at this pituitary gland, actually all of these glands, they are so well vascularized, meaning they have such a connection to the bloodstream. Just about anywhere is going to have a connection to the bloodstream to release the chemicals. And that's what they did. Growth hormone gets to travel to the target cells so that the target cells do what they need them to do. Portal system. Does that make sense now for a portal system? Okay. Because the other one is going to be the hepatic, or the digestive functions. Well, like I just showed, the hypothalamus is going to control that pituitary by secreting hormones that control what the pituitary makes. So we're going to find that the hormones in the hypothalamus are going to have names like releasing, stimulating, inhibiting. Because just like something needed to get produced, remember, we got to control it. So inhibiting will stop it. Any questions so far? Any confusion?
So the thalamus has all the releasing hormone.
The hypothalamus will have the stuff that's going to be turned like a releasing hormone or a stimulating hormone or an inhibiting hormone. When you get to the anterior pituitary, this is where it's going to maybe say growth hormone, or maybe it's going to say thyroid stimulating hormone, because it doesn't really make the hormone for the thyroid. It has to go to the thyroid and tell it to make its product. Yes, no, maybe. All right, take a break, be back at 9:30.